Well, there you have it in your screens, Kapamilya.
Robbie Domingo in the house, wearing his Ateneo shirt. Obviously rooting for Ateneo.
Well, one of the many faces here in the arena in San Juan. Welcome to the UAAP Season 75. I'm Noreen Go together with Mozzie Ravenna. And we're bringing you the match between Ateneo and FEU.
Oh, another combination play. Ateneo going to their combination plays.
Kainglet, the recipient of that set, as you can see. We were talking about defense. Ateneo actually kind of not up to par here in the second set, but once they defend well, that's the end result.
That's right. Eulalia on the other side, hitting another one from the middle. So Ateneo trying to string up some points, pero si Eulalia just stopping it.
You know, I was about to say, not si Winnet Eulalia. Her percentage is actually very high.
Oh, that goes into the net.
Another net violation, this time by Rojas. That's actually, that's gonna get Coach Ness really upset because you're playing well, then you commit these errors. We were talking about it. The maturity is still not there for FEU. Hervasio, wow.
Really sharp serve.
But that was an equally good dig.
True.
Lazaro. Kainglet.
Oh, Kainglet. Sort of baby that hit. Went into the antenna.
Palma back in for Abitan. Well, so far again, so far so good for FEU. 18 serving 14. They kind of gelled here in this second set.
Ang bilis, sabi natin game by game, set by set.
Set by set.
Ikaw talaga.
Third set.
Set by set.
Valdez.
Going down the line. Too much for Rojas.
Alyssa Valdez really was a prize rookie for Ateneo, and she's continuing here in her second year. Gretchen Ho serving for Ateneo, trying to get some more points. A shanked reception. Ferrer to Valdez.
All right, into the middle. Agno was there, Vargas was there, but it was a short stab coming from Valdez.
You know, Valdez has actually developed a lot of arsenal in her offense. Dati, she'll just hit.
Yes.
Now, yan, may off speed, parang may tip.
Again, a lot of playing against the opponent, right? The UAAP.
That's right, and Tejada with her version of a kill. And don't look now, 17 serving 18. Coach Ness wants to talk it over.
Sige lang. Gano'n po tayo sana. Gano'n muna. Rumisave muna tayo na maayos. Ihatid muna natin para makadiscard yung setter. Wala. Kung mag-open tayo, wala mangyayari. Okay? So, receive lang muna. Sige.
Well, you can sense really that FEU's really wanting to win this set. Talking about yung first ball nila. It really has to start with a good first ball.
That's right. And they were able to do that in this set. Better offense coming from FEU because of their defense. Kamot ulo na
That says it all, no?
Yep.
That reaction says it all. Frustration of Coach Roger. And Bagang, Rochelle Maria Bagang, serving for FEU.
Remember, she had 2 aces a while ago. Oh, going down the line.
Valdez is really punishing Rojas. I'm looking at her react now, parang may masakit ata eh. Well, Valdez actually really smart. She saw blocker niya, Giselle C. Of course, I'm gonna hit it down the line.
Oh, and then, but then again, she sends it long from the service line.
So 2 consecutive service errors for Ateneo. That's actually keeping FEU hanging on to this lead. Hervasio, Ferrer, Cainglet, skipping it over.
Oh, Palma called for the net violation.
Oh, that was actually pretty obvious.
Yeah.
Take a look at that over here. Actually, that was a very good set, huh? No
Yep.
blockers.
Yep.
Well, play resumes. C. Back to... Oh! That was Palma with that kill. Ferrer was there, but again, nauna yung...
Saka hindi, she wasn't facing the ball. She was
Side.
getting the ball sideways.
Kneeling also.
Uh-huh.
Genuflect.
Pahirapan ko pa yan.
That's
Yung
right.
degree of difficulty in getting that ball. Medyo mataas.
3.0. Oh, Palma, the good serve, Valdez. Tejada again, the recipient of that set.
Once again, with a soft touch, just going to that open portion, open area of FEU.
Well, you know, Ateneo has been committing service errors. So let's see if Tejada can actually change that. Well, so far, so good. Rojas, wow!
Cainglet totally read that play. And look at this one again. Cainglet and Grechenho going for that block.
Well, that, you know, perfect read for Phil Cainglet.
Right.
Tejada with another good serve. C. Eulalio. Valdez was there. Oh, this is good. C. Back to Vargas. Ferrer was there. Hervasio sets it to Cainglet.
Oh,
That did not clear the net.
right. Not enough leap coming from Cainglet on that last play. Well, talking about leap, here's the big leap.
Yeah.
Leaper. Diba yan
The elevator.
Yup.
Ella de Jesus in the house for Ateneo. And Vargas, Rosemary Vargas now serving for FEU. Valdez, Ferrer. Hervasio, wow!
When you can see Zia Basho adjusting, positioning herself for that kill, for that at least off-speed hit.
That's right. That's the way to go, no?
Yeah, I was going to say that's a mark of a veteran. You just don't give a free ball.
Yes.
At least try to give it the hard way.
Yeah. Basta paluin mo.
Paluin mo man lang.
Ferrer was there. Hervasio. To Valdez dropping it. C was there. Rojas. Here's Ferrer again to Valdez. Oh, this is a good rally. A long rally we're having. Oh!
Sent it into the net.
Rookie error there by Bagang. And another timeout. Let's listen in.
Wala sa loob niyo yung ginagawa niyo talaga eh. Ikaw naman may sinabi siya, hindi ka makakadepensa kung atras ka mula doon, atras ka nakatayo. Bumaba ka para makita mo yung pinanggagalingan ng bola. Ayos, hindi yung pinagagawa sa inyo eh. Oh, nagsarili na naman kayo. Ano mangyayari sa atin?
Well, volleyball is a team sport and communication is key. That was what actually Coach Ness was talking about. Nag-iisa kayo. You need to communicate. You need to talk.
That's right. And Ateneo now taking the lead. But, you know, it's a 1-point lead for Ateneo.
Well, Ateneo hanging in there, now leading 23-22. As you were saying, C to Eulalio. Lazaro, Ferrer giving it up.
Oh, how will FEU capitalize on this free ball? They give it to Eulalio, but Valdez was there.
That's right, good read by Eliza Valdez. Well, you know, Valdez has also also has played against Eulalia for so long, so you know that the familiarity is there between the two opponents. And that play, Eliza gets one up over. Okay, so you can see Coach Roger
calling that violation earlier than the referee, but he gets the call and he gets second set. He snatches the second set.
That's right, a good call there by the referee. And Ateneo, though a sloppy second set, they managed to bounce back and claim the second set. Eliza Valdez leading that charge for Ateneo. Well, don't go away. We'll be